Just, just, I'm just checking. I'm just checking, right? I'm just checking. I'm mic checking. Yo, what's good? What's good, players? What's good? I'm just trying to set up. We got stopped earlier on because this we got stopped earlier on because I don't know why we got stopped, but we did. We were analyzing still, right? We had some text here. Okay, maybe it could be another Xauusd. Let me check. FXCM. I think it's FXCM. Let me check. Where's our docked? Okay. Xauusd, FXCM. Which ones do I always use also? Forex.com. Let's check FX.com. Yep, there you go. There you go. So we had updated this. We went through the account that I'm trying to hustle. We went through the account that I'm trying to hustle. We went through the sort of the fundamental outlook I'm expecting. We went through a few things. I'm just trying to set up some. I'm just trying to set up some. I'm just trying to set up some administration. Trying to set up some administration before we continue, gents. But we're still in the range. Still in the range. Just take you through what we had discussed earlier on. We had discussed the fundamental outlook, concluding that we should see a lower gold, but because there's always relative equal highs here, you could see either way it plays, spools up, takes it, goes down, or it first takes these low hanging fruits, low hanging fruits, and then spools up, then down again. So price can decide on its own PDRA that it wants to deliver on a certain day, right? But we are not fortune tellers, we are traders. So we do what the markets do. We do what the markets do. I'm just trying to see here. I'm just trying to see what's good. Okay. Alright. Scale to window. Okay. Docs. There you go. That's what I'm trying to get. 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 In the check. That's what I'm trying to get. Alright. There's the checks popping over there. So alright. Alright. So gents, let's roll back. Let's roll back. Let's roll back to the strategy of ours, right? Let me just explain it kakuhle before you guys start asking. Now check this out, right? This 5 key levels that define our. So this will be the first trading hour of the week of the session, which sets a lot of liquidity, like you can see here. It set sort of a triple-ish top. It took it and then it went down, right? So the fact that it failed to close above this is a bearish tone, right? If you want, if you see this, if you trade rejections and support, this acted as a huge support level. So you could have had, after you wait for it to close, right? It has set these weeks. After, right immediately after it went in, and then it gave us a spool. Went in again, gave us a spool. Now, in its breakdown, it broke down to this is the opening price, and then this is the 50% level, right? So we should have taken it to a sell right here with our stops 2 ticks above here, and then wait for it to spool down. If we were bullish and if I had a huge conviction that it will go now into the bullish tone, I would be taking a buy here, right? And I can take a buy here. If we want to risk, I can take a buy here, wait for it to spool up, right? If I was bullish. But now, because I'm bearish, for me to trust that I'm wrong and it's going to be a bullish setup, I want to see, I want to see, I want to see it I want to see it create such a structure where it breaks this high. Alright, it could come here again. Since well it's a resistance point, it could come back, inverts this fair value gap, right? It could invert this fair value gap. It could invert this fair value gap and then go up, right? Now the entry that I would trust in the setup is if it did that and then it came back into this, right? It can come back deep to take this low, or it can start showing rejection here. It's not a problem. But I'll take if it shows rejection here, I'm taking it. If it shows rejection here, I'm taking it long, right? But now you see how these levels just act as a push, man. Like they act as heavy. So, but the 50 is also acting. It's also acting as there's a fair value gap. There's this that's acting as in the previous session you gave us shorts. So my analysis, my total bias is more towards short than it is towards longs, right? So come on guys, let's join. I hope to have 5 guys before. I hope to have 5 guys at least before the end of the week. Is that too much to ask for? Just 5 homies I can spend my day with. It's 5 homies I could spend my day with. Just hollering at each other, right? Right. Just 5 homies. It's 5 homies. Alright, let's get some. Let's get some music up in here. Music up in here. Music up in here. Let's get some songs up in here, bros. Yo, homie's back, right? What's up? What's up? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's poppin'? What's poppin', yo? What's poppin', yo? Looks like we've been locked out again, again, and again, and again. Locked out again, and again, and again. Been locked out again, and again, and again, and again. Again and again and again. Locked out again and again and again. I need a gaming chair, bruh. If I'm gonna sit here the whole day, hollering, talking. Cause I'm mean, type of here. It looks like things are moving here, but my video capture looks like it's off, off, on. Gents, we just have to push, right? We just have to push, bros. At least you all saw this is me right here on the corner, right there. Like I'm right here on the corner, right? So while we're still in the range, just tiptoeing around the range, let's see what the previous range did. So the Asian IDR or the ADR, I think he calls it that. Just confuse the OD and the AD, but this is one of them. This is the ADR, right? So it took out some liquidity here, didn't close above, went all the way down, closed below. In fact, it closed below first here, right? So we could trust that if it breaks, if it does this sort of fractal where it turns around in a true trend, it's not supposed to come back to this candle high. So we take a high here, we set a stop loss here. So many confluences. Take your profits here, right? So 1 is to 1.5 or so, right? That's the main thing, right? And then it breaks down and poof, you can set your stop here. 1 is to 2 easily come out. Remember, guys, we are scalpers. We are scalping. Well, I have to scalp this account because firstly, firstly, the account has very strict requirements, it has very strict requirements, and they calculate your drawdown based on the highest of your equity. So that makes it a bit difficult. So here you see it was a perfect short range, meaning that the range is bearish. And then after the range, pulled up, right into this fair value gap, right? It failed to take this high, which is a strong indication. Okay, came down, bounced off this order block into this fair value gap, and then it inverted the fair value gap. You see, it inverted the fair value gap, right? And then came to give us confluence and came down again, came up, came down, right? So we are looking for this candle. Price must not close to. Whether you enter here, you enter here, you enter here. Some could even enter here based on your risk and reward appetite, but it shouldn't close above this candle. If it does, we are wrong. Take the L, journal, go forward, right? Then again, sets a high, comes straight into that high, consolidates, right? Breaks down, breaks down this low again, breaking again. So probably I would have taken this, set my stop loss here. 1:1, right? It's not supposed to come above that candle. And then skabam, right? Skadoom, right? We in the money. We in the money. So I don't know, I'm still having a problem with YouTube is not responding. I don't know. I don't know what's up, gents. I don't know what's up. Let me try sort out some technical glitches this side, right?